Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about one of the most important habits you can develop for a healthier life, daily exercise. We're going to talk about some of the best exercises you can do every day to keep your body in shape, improve your energy levels, and boost your overall well-being. Let's start with the most classic exercise, walking. It may seem simple, but walking is one of the best ways to stay active. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking a day can help improve your cardiovascular health, strengthen your muscles, and boost your mood. Plus, it's easy to fit into any schedule, whether you're taking a stroll during your lunch break or walking the dog. Next up, we have squats. Squats are great for building strength in your legs and core. They also help improve your posture and balance. The best part? You don't need any equipment. You can do them at home, at the gym, or even during a quick break at work. Another fantastic daily exercise is the plank. Planking strengthens your core, shoulders, and back, making it an excellent full-body workout. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the time as you get stronger. It's a simple exercise, but it works wonders for your core stability. Push-ups are also a must for your daily routine. They're one of the best exercises for building upper body strength and toning your arms, shoulders, and chest. You can start with modified push-ups on your knees and gradually work your way up to full push-ups. Finally, don't forget about stretching. Stretching keeps your muscles flexible and helps prevent injuries. Incorporating stretching into your daily routine improves your range of motion, reduces muscle soreness, and increases blood flow to your muscles. These exercises combined are a powerful way to stay fit and healthy. So whether you're a beginner or advanced, fitting these into your daily routine will help you feel stronger, more energized, and ready to tackle the day. That's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on staying fit and healthy every day. See you next time.